Hello everybody, this is Johnny S with another R6 vlog, and it is an R6 vlog. Yeah baby, finally we got our bike back. It's a little bit windy today, I hope you can hear me. After 1 month we got our bike back, baby. We got our bike back, more beautiful than ever, literally more beautiful than ever. I've never had this bike as new as it is now, both mechanical wise and look wise. We got the bike back, it has been repainted. We bought a couple of new things when it comes to, whoa, yeah, it's difficult to I forgot how hard the suspension is. Like I said, we got our bike back, it's perfect, it's beautiful. We bought a couple of new things that I'm going to mention. It did take a long time, it did take 1 month, unfortunately, but we're back, we're happy, we're more than happy, we are beautifully happy. The bike is going perfect as always, with the difference that now you can actually see it, it's fucking immaculate. The plastic thing on our tank has been painted to be matching fully. We got these plastic bits which are brand new, they've been painted. We've changed these components which are also brand new. We changed the grips. It took a month. We took the whole fairing kit at the front. Unfortunately, these parts here were 150 bucks, 150 euro both of them, and my mechanic ordered those parts 3 times. So he ordered them, they were in bad quality. He sent them back and forth until he got them to be actually good, and then sending all the components to be painted, meaning the side fairings, basically all the matte colors, which is 1, 2, 3 panels, 4, 5, and the mask in front, the front of the bike. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. 6 parts to grind them down, repaint them, and do everything 150 bucks. So it's nothing. When I say nothing, I mean nothing. We got our short levers, which is fucking beautiful. Yeah, it's fucking perfect. It's perfect. It's been a month, but it was worth it. Yeah, I was worried that, you know, will I get it and not be good quality? Will I get it back and not be like this? Is amazing. Look at that shit. This is fucking beautiful, man. Fucking beautiful. I hate the matte on a bike such as this, you know what I mean? I don't think you should have a matte, you know, on a bike like it's fucking beautiful now. It's shiny, everything's shiny, it's shiny dick on wheels, yeah. Fuck, it's amazing. Anyway, so I will have videos to come. I wanted to make some music videos, so you will see it like that. I did this video also in Greek. It's just an update, you know what I mean? Just an update. Let's open it up. Fucking this bike is amazing. Listen to that shit. Fucking beautiful, beautiful, man. Beautiful. I fucking love it. Yeah, just a little update. I ain't gonna take much of your time. Just wanted to share with everyone. We got our bike back. It's as beautiful as ever. I love it. And yeah, we're back to our good old selves. The weather is nice, the road is warm, the tires are perfect temperature, so we can enjoy it. Today we've gone around the neighborhood for a ride. We're not going to take it to so extreme, let's say. It's going to be more chill out ride, but yeah, I'm going to make some music video clips. I'm going to put back the camera on the rear view to get the bike from the external side, let's say. Yeah, it's going to be great. Now, as far as selling the bike, I do have, like, I'm thinking about it. I do have a contemplation in my mind. I don't know if I'm going to go ahead and do it or not going to do it. One of the thoughts is that I've never had this bike as new as I've got it now. It's more new than when I bought it 15 years ago, you know what I mean? The guy that I bought the bike had one of these pieces of plastic broken, so the piece of plastic over down here was already broken and the tank had a crack. Plus, like I said, it was factory, which means the matte color scheme, which I really hate. Now we've got the bike on a stage where it's just fucking absolutely perfect. We got our hard seat cowl at the back. We got everything to be as shiny and as perfect as can possibly be. Mechanical wise, the bike was always great and awesome. It had no issue whatsoever. The only thing was like I said, the aesthetic part. The aesthetic part, which was, you know, a couple of, like the fairings. I like the pearl that he's put inside the paint. God damn. I mean, this part looks better than this part now. Fucking amazing. But I am thinking about it. I had a couple of guys call me and they were saying, you know, like, I mean, I saw your bike, I'm interested on your bike and so forth, but I don't know if I want to sell it now, because like I said, it's after repainting the whole bike, it's better than when I got it, you know what I mean? And it is summertime. It took 1 month, so I'm thinking of maybe not selling it and keeping it for a little while, just enjoy summer. Just enjoying summer. It should be awesome. Sorry about that. I'm just getting excited. Yeah, man. So yeah, it's beautiful. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Will I sell it? Will I not sell it? It will show. I mean, I do want to go for the 1000 class, don't get me wrong. The only problem is that I have not seen something at the moment which is going to be you know, that has intrigued me, let's say. So, you know, from all the advertisements, it's relatively the same bikes which I have been stationary now for around a month. Some of them have not been the top quality, let's say. So, you know, if I do gonna buy a bike, I'm gonna get the best bike, let's say, full perfect condition. I ain't gonna do any rush or, you know, sort of movements like that. It's gonna be like a brand new bike, you know what I mean? And I'm gonna obviously take it to my mechanic. Fucking stupid bitch. So yeah, I don't want to make any rush movements when I'm actually buying the bike, so we'll see how we go. If I had seen a 1000cc bike, it might have been a different you know, circumstance. Or at least if I had seen a couple of 1000cc bikes being moved around, I might have been more keen, let's say, to buy and sell this. At the moment, everything is being stationary, you know what I mean? So that kind of discourages me with the thought that what happens if you sell the bike and then during summer you don't find anything? So the whole summer goes by and you're stuck with nothing. And another thing to mention is that, you know, me using my wife's bike is not something that I can do till eternity. You know, I mean, she actually turned around and said, you know, like, relax, let me take my fucking bike. It's summertime and I haven't driven it. Lol. So yeah, I understand. Like I said, let's open it up a bit. Listen to that beautiful sound again. It's been some time. I'll let you listen to it. It's been some time, baby. Fucking beautiful. It's been some time. Fucking love it. Love it, man, love it. The first day that I got it, after it was like on the side, I thought to myself, yeah, take it easy, take it easy. Whoa, Ferrari, yeah, awesome, nice looking fucking car, baby. I thought to myself, yeah, take it easy, yeah, fuck that. The back's stand out, baby. A lot of power, man, a lot of power. A lot of power, a lot of power. Fucking beautiful. These are not the right roads. The grip here is really bad. It's only on some more main roads, let's say, in Greece here. Fuck yeah, fuck yeah, fuck yeah. Listen to it. The crackling and shit. Fucking amazing. The popping at the back is fucking awesome. Anyway, we're back, baby. We're back, baby. The fucking bike is more new than new. You know what I mean? After the 6 years that it was put on the side, I've said this before, but I just mention it again. The mechanic took everything apart. You know what I mean? He took the engine apart. He took everything. So it's like it's been refurbished. You know what I mean? Front forks, everything. And the only bad thing was from the 2 stationary drops that I had a couple of dimples, a couple of small scratches and shit. Now that I've sent all the fucking plastic, it's been repainted. It's better than new. Better than fucking new, you know what I mean? Like, I can't fucking believe it. I'm fucking loving it. I'm loving it. Anyway, I'll keep the video short. I don't need to drag it out any more longer than it needs to be. I'd like to thank everybody for your time. It was a difficult period in my life not having my bike. Really felt weird, strange, but we're back, baby, we're back. There's gonna be more content to follow, obviously. Might make a couple of music video clips also, you know what I mean? I had in mind a couple of songs, some old school techno songs. I'm a boomer, don't forget that. So now we got our bike, we can do whatever the fuck we wanna do, baby. Anyway, hope you all stay safe. Always straight up, upright on your bikes. Be focused, enjoy yourselves. 2 little birds fighting. Fuck off, little birds. Fuck off, little birds. Fucking love it. Anyway, guys, thank you very much. And thank you very much for your time. Yeah. I'll be just goodbye. I hope you're all doing good. We'll talk soon, guys. Bye bye.